going to be doing an eye look with the W7 Blazing palette today. I noticed that one of y'all wanted it because it was similar to the Fire palette. The first one I'm going to go into is this one right here. It's like a white, off-white shade. We're going to use that as our base shade. And usually the transition base shade doesn't show up that well, so don't expect to see anything. I already recorded this video once and somehow it erased. It's very fun. Alright, let's try to see if we can build this color up a little bit. I forgot the TV sound was on. Alright, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade, this darker brown color right there, and put that in the crease. Almost looks like I should have used that as a base shade. Or the transition shade, but we could always fix it later if we need to. I always start on the outer corner and work my way across, especially on this side, so I could see how it's gonna do right here where it doesn't seem to want to go on. I really need to start projecting my voice to y'all more, but I also don't want to feel like I'm yelling at you. Like he is. He's yelling at y'all. All right, let's try to let's go in with this brush and just make this the transition shade, because it seems to blend away to nothing pretty much. So we want to build that color up all the way up into the contour of the eye for the transition. And then I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to go into this maroonish shade right there. And we're going to redo the crease. There we go. This reminds me of the Crown Fuego palette look, but I only have like 6 shades here to work with, so I'm sorry. I don't have a whole lot to work with on this one. Have y'all seen the Tread Mood picture that Urban Decay is coming out with, Naked Reloaded? It looks really pretty. I don't know when they're coming out with it. It didn't have a date or anything, but it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous palette. There we go. Now we got a crease shade going and a outer V look. All right, now let's see which one I want to use. I think I'm going to use that lighter one. From the blue look I'm practicing for the video I'll be doing. But I cleaned it. It just... Can you turn that down? It just doesn't seem to want to come all the way off. It probably will when I shampoo it. I'll probably have to shampoo it to get it off. I like using the flat brush for the shimmer shades because I can pat them down and up the same as I probably would with my finger. I want it to look uniform all the way up on both sides. And then we'll go back in, but we'll use the bigger brush into that darker shade. Let's go ahead with this brush, the packing brush. There we go. And pack it right there. Now we'll get this blending brush right here, and I'm gonna go in a little bit with that first color, that whitish. And we are going to blend the outside edges and soften them. All right, there's that. Let's take this little brush again, this little flat brush kind of thing, and try to smoke the bottom with that darker shade first. And then we will take this brush with a little bit of that darker brown, that lighter brown, and go across it too, lightly on the bottom lash line. Yep. Okay, now let's take let me find my eyeliner that I'm looking for. This gold one. put it on the inner corner, top and bottom. On both sides, it kind of brightens it up without having to use eyeshadow just a little bit. And then we will go in with this reddish Urban Decay one and finish off the line on the top, staying close to the lashes. And I just realized I didn't do my brows. Yeah. I like how this color matches somewhat the colors I used on my eye, because then it looks, if you look at the bottom, it looks a little more smoky. Oh, I need to put those over here. All right. And I think I missed the box, so they probably went underneath my desk. Yay. All right, let's try to get these brows done real quick. Just a real quick brows. It's funny, I didn't notice I didn't do them until I was putting on the eyeliner. So, and this little guy here, I haven't been feeling good on and off due to allergies, and I've been hit and miss with my skincare. So that little guy decided to show up. All right, let's see. Let's put a little bit of mascara on. And I'm gonna use Dose of Colors. But I thought my eyelash curler was right here. There's one. All right. Go ahead and curl those up. Curl that up. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I love the way it works on my lashes. I like how they look afterwards. All right, there's that. I need some lip gloss. Pillow Plump by Soap and Glory. Let's do this while we're waiting for that to calm down. We're gonna go in with this Dose of Colors highlighter in the shade Milk and Honey. It's a very light highlight. But it is very pretty. We're gonna highlight the brow bone. coming through. Okay, so we got a little bit of that on there. Now we are going to go in with the setting spray, and then we will do lipstick to complete the look. I'm using the e.l.f. Dewy Mist setting spray. It's been my favorite lately, I've noticed. And we are going to use SkinCeuticals 30% HA Intensifier, whatever that is. I need to get a fan, I think. Like a little hand fan. Instead of using random sample things. And there's that. Now we're going to grab let's go with this e.l.f. liner. All right. And a nude lippy, one of my favorite formulas that I will be talking about in a video today using the red lipsticks is this Ofra liquid lipstick. There's that. If this would go back on, that's in the color Ball Harbor. Gotta put that down there. I need to get this. I like that little brush at the end that you could touch up and fix your lipstick. Let's pull the hair down. Yeah, the highlight's still there. And this is the final look. I like this palette. The shades do wonderful. So it's a cheaper version of the Urban Decay Heat palette. I'm just using my hand sanitizer so I can show you the swatches. Alright. There's the first three shades. That's the white one. And then the last three. 1, 2, 3. They swatch good. The mattes, they really swatch really well. I like that. And they work well on the eyes, so it's not a bad palette. And I'm pretty sure it was way cheaper than the Urban Decay Petite Heat palette. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.